Ladies and gentlemen, I have tricked you because that's not me, okay? This is me. You've been on my channel 10 times. We went on 3 dates. You told me I was handsome. We even held hands, but you still didn't subscribe to my channel. Tell me why, okay? No, it's okay. I'm doing brand new stuff here. If you want to see this stuff in the future, it's AutoCAD 2022. We're going from the very basics of isometric 3D block modeling all the way to the advanced 3D modeling in one single playlist. So if you want to see it, you got to subscribe. You got to like the videos. You got to comment. Tell me what you do and don't like. That way I can make this content perfect for you. So do me a favor. Follow me on this journey. Here we go. I'll see you out there. All right, ladies and gents, here we are. Let's jump into it. Number 2 on this sheet. I'm looking at something that is 30 wide by 30 deep by 30 tall, 20 plus 10 here. I'm going to draw this from the right side because I believe it has the most detail on that side. It is a backwards H shape, and it's going to be a 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 30, 15, 10, 20, and then 20. All right. So I'm in AutoCAD 2022. I'm going to flip this from the top to the right side. Don't forget that when you're changing this, you're changing the side that you're actually drawing on, as opposed to using the cube where you would change that to see the object from a different side, only to see it from another side, not to draw on that side. All right. So I'm on the right side here. I'm going to start. I should have explained this in other videos here. If you draw the entire thing above the 0, 0 plane, you won't be below the grid later on. All right. So I'm going to draw in this area. So let's pan that over a little bit. Let's go 10 to the right. Let's zoom out a little bit. Now, this is a great example of something I was trying to talk about in the other video. I can't zoom out any further, and I would like to. Hit escape and hit a zoom extents, then scroll out and then get your zoom level where you want it. Okay. Actually, probably want to be a little bit further out. Also, you could draw this shape with a polyline, and that would avoid the need for a join later on. That is up to you. I like to show it this way because most times people draw things, they usually use the line tool. All right, so we're going 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 again. A lot of 10s here, a lot of 10s. All right, we're going 30. We're going, what are we going here? We're going 15 out. 10 down and 20. 15 out, 10 down, 20. That's not right. That should be 15, sorry. And this should be 20. All right. So select everything, type join, double check your numbers. 10 objects converted to one polyline. There are 10 lines, so that is correct. If it ever says 12 to 2 polylines or 10 to 1 with 2 removed, that means that you have an issue with your model, okay, or with your first profile. All right, so I'm going back to the top. I'm going to the bottom right corner of the cube. This is my default 3D view. And then I'm going to change to my 3D tools. Right here, you're going to hit the gear down here. And you can't see it behind me, so let me move myself for a second. When you hit the gear, you're looking at 3D basics. All right, so 3D basics here, we've got extrude, we've got this, enter, going back, -30. So the model itself is almost done. You just have to build that part in the front. And there's a couple different ways to do this, but the way that I like the most is just to use a box and to draw it out here, okay? So when you click here, you can hit length, and you can say, okay, I want the length going back on this green line to be 30. By the way, like I've taught this differently in other videos, but I like to teach it different ways in different videos so that you guys can pick up on all the different ways to do things. So I don't think I've ever in any of my videos used this box tool before, but I do think that it is easier in this situation. All right. So anyways, that was 30 back. This is going to be 10 this way, and then we're going to go up 10. And then very simply, you're just going to select that, use M, enter. Whoops. Select that, M, enter for move, grab this at the midpoint right here and put it at the midpoint right there. This might look a little jumbled up, maybe orbit a little bit. And then subtract from the main model, enter, small model, enter. And then if you go on conceptual, you will see that your model is now done. That was an easy one. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later.